Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, demonstrating some of this porcelain china being listed currently. And this is made by Duchess China, dates from the late 20th century. It's a little pattern called Nankin. There's the Nankin Duchess Bone China X-70 marks, a D-shaped little what we'd expect to call a coffee cup, really, Demitasse, not a full-size teacup. If you check the measurements out on the website, you'll see that this doesn't constitute a full-size teacup. Really good condition with fine gilt detailing around the handle, thumb rest on the top, and an indent rim with these little indents, just drops that you can feel with your mouth and fingers around the rims. This sits on a little 5-inch saucer. Again, beautifully decorated in the Nankin pattern with these drop balls around the outer aspects and 2 large blocks work of that really pretty, good colour palette on that, isn't it, on the Nankin design. There's the matching bone china Nankin X-70 marks on the saucer. We've got 2 of these, would have been sold originally with a coffee pot, small sugar basin, an open sugar basin and a small cream or milk jug, and this we've got 2 available on the link below. If you follow that through, it will take you to the website listing for this piece. Thanks for watching.